Hey everyone, I am making a quick little video to show you how Jim and I have put together our packing for him going to Svalbard, Norway, and this polar expedition. So what we did is we started out with all the kinds of clothes that we might have wanted to choose from, laid them out into categories, t-shirts, underwear, pants, etc. And looking at the way we're traveling in this case, we're going to be in temperatures that are going to vary from probably, I don't know, I'll just say 25 degrees Fahrenheit to 45. So we'll be indoors and then it'll be warmer. So we need to have waterproof clothing. We need layers of clothing. So what we've done is we first laid out, started the base layers, right? And then you layer up on top of it. So things like a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt or merino, and then a sweater or jacket on top of that. He's got his handkerchiefs, he's got, underwear, and then we have the outdoorsy stuff. So we've got the different gloves and the jackets and the vest and, a hat and different things for layers. So when you put this together, the way we did it just simply is we first laid out what are you going to wear across the sea each way. You can wear it in both directions. The first couple of days when we're going from, in our case, Oslo, Norway, up to Svalbard, we're going to be dressing to fly north, walk around the city, town, and then overnight, and then the next day get up, do a little bit more touring, and then hop onto the ship. And what we're going to do is have these things. This is his backpack, by the way, which is carry-on, and he's going to need to add a couple more big things to that. The only thing you don't see here is boots, hiking boots. But anyway, so each day, he doesn't have to wear it this way, but it's a way to kind of organize. Do you have a, t-shirt? Do you have underwear? Do you have socks? Do you have handkerchiefs? Do you have a long sleeve shirt? Do you have a jacket? Do you have a sweater? So this is just a way to get organized that we decided to try. And, it's, again, once we get on the ship, we can break all this stuff apart. But if you're looking for ways to consolidate, we have historically used plastic bags that use Ziplock shut. But we're trying this new thing, which so far so good. It is this vacuum thing that you recharge the vacuum, and you can even, when you're done with clothes, make a dirty clothes bag, and it lays them super flat. So what you're going to see eventually is that we have this one duffel bag, and everything that you see here is going to fit in it with a little extra room in case we pick up a little souvenir along the way. So just wanted to show you that, and then it's just an idea of how to get organized for travel. Okay, especially when you're heading to the cold north. Talk to you soon. Bye.